Hi everyone. Today we have with us Mohit. Mohit is one of our students, and yesterday he gave us the information that he's got his results and he's passed with bright colors. We are very happy with his result. Many congratulations to you, Mohit.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Right. So, Mohit, I have some questions for you. To begin with,
Mhm.
how does it feel now that you've got the result and you have finally cleared the test? So, how does it feel?
Ma'am, actually, the thing is, this time I appeared for that OET at home, as I already told you that I'm in Maldives and I can't write OET at paper.
Right.
So I think most of the candidate got their result around 11:30 according to Indian time or around 12 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Just I scrolled out the Facebook and I saw that many of the institutions were posting about their results.
Mm-hmm.
Then my heart beat like goes it's become like anything. I was on shift that time,
Right.
so I just opened and I checked my email that but there was no message from the OET side. Then
Uh-huh.
I logged into my OET account. After that it was showing the result is still pending.
Okay.
Still it's the online, that's why I didn't say anything. I checked at around 5 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Then I clicked on the view result.
Uh-huh.
After that, I saw it's all B with writing C plus,
Ah, nice.
and I can't express my happiness at that time that it was a I am thinking to clear OET or IELTS from the last 7 years.
Oh my
I
God.
cleared my means I passed my nursing in 2014, in
Mm-hmm.
January 2014. After that, we need experience and all. There
Yeah.
was some family issues. There was some like personal issues were also there. But
Yeah.
still, as I first joined Khaira Education on, I had a word with Gurleen ma'am in
Mm-hmm.
February 2022.
Mm-hmm.
I told about my IELTS score and everything. She told me that Mohit, you will go for OET this time.
Mm-hmm.
I said okay. Then I took 1 month coaching. I left just because of family issues, and I have to came back to India for some personal reason.
Uh-huh.
Then I appeared for OET in, as you already informed, that in August 27th, and I lost
Right.
in listening by 2 marks only.
Yeah.
I was very depressed, I can say. Not depressed is a very small word, that
Mm-hmm.
I'm not expecting in listening actually. As
Okay.
already told you that if it was writing then I can be manage, but for listening it was very difficult for me because by the 2 marks.
Hmm.
And in reading I got 370 on that
Mm-hmm.
time also, but this time I go through all the materials. I have recorded sessions.
Mm-hmm.
I did almost 3 listenings per day,
Yeah.
like readings every day. So this time, just because of your just because all your help, I got my desired score, and it's a very beautiful journey for me.
I know there have been many ups and downs, but you have sailed through this journey quite well, I would say. And this makes me very proud after listening to I knew some parts of it, but now after listening to the whole of it, yes, I feel very proud of you. And I'm sure everyone at Kera Education is very proud of your success. So, how was your journey with us, Mohit?
It was I don't have even words to explain that because first when I joined Khaira Education in February 2022, my session was taken by first session was taken by Muskan.
Mm-hmm.
So initially I thought that OET is easy, I can do,
Mm-hmm.
because Gurleen ma'am told me that Mohit, if you have like 6.5 in
Yeah.
IELTS, you can easily go for OET. But
Mm-hmm.
in starting, reading is the toughest part for me.
Mm-hmm.
Listening, however, I was managing well, but reading was a very I love writing, but still it's better than IELTS writing. I can
Yeah.
say I don't, because we have so much case notes to write down just because of your efforts, Sanya ma'am, you and Yukti ma'am, all the means like I don't means it was perfectly fine, because the way you are delivering the teaching is, I don't have a words to explain my feelings, because when I saw the result on that day, na, I was very happy. Means it
I'm
was
sure.
tears in my eyes that time. The journey with you was marvelous, ma'am. I
I'm
even I recommend all my friends